Right, so in Chemical Practical 15 you're going to use a calorimeter to determine an enthalpy change or a heat change, and as we've got demonstrated here, once you place the solute into the solvent, you have to keep wiggling it and stirring it as shown until the temperature is recorded to its point. So keep stirring away until either the temperature has increased to a constant or decreased towards a constant. Within this, you should make sure that the bulb of the thermometer, so we have a thermometer here, the bulb of the thermometer sits down into the solvent. So you're asked to put a quantity of solvent into the calorimeter, and then you have to obviously thread in the thermometer into this rubber seal onto the lid of the calorimeter. So if we just show you as well, you should make sure that the bulb of the thermometer sits down and is in contact with the solvent. So don't allow the bulb to sit right at the top part of the rubber seal and not have contact with the solvent. If that's the case, then you're not actually recording the temperature of the solvent, you're recording the temperature of the system. So make sure this bulb sits down into the solution. So do that before you add your salt, and record the temperature until you have a constant temperature recorded. That should take, for this practical number 15, about 2-3 minutes. Once you're finished with the calorimeter with the solution, just rinse it down the sink with plenty of water, swirl with water, and then dry with tissue paper. Likewise, dry all parts of this as well with tissue paper after rinsing with water. Just to say to you as well that you'll need to as well to thread down the thermometer into the rubber seal, and you should do that with a bit of care and caution. So once you do this, don't drop your thermometer. Make sure that once you're pushing the thermometer down, you do so with a push and a twist, not to allow the thermometer to break. So push it down with a push and a twist. There will be some resistance, but just take your time and be very careful when doing this. If not, that's one of the demonstrators. But push down with a push and a twist at the same time. Do not push from the back in that capacity, as you might allow the thermometer to go through the hand. Okay, so push with a twist, and we'll stop now.